How to fix this app is not available in your country in Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first thing you can do to solve this issue is simply change your Google Play Store country or location. For that, you can simply go and open Google Play Store. Tap profile icon at top right and choose for uh, Settings option from the menu bar and tap General at top of the screen. So if you see the option to change your country, update it to the app supported location. Note, you can change your country only once a year. You can even go ahead and open settings on your device and look for the location changing option. Go to additional setting, tap language and region and choose your region and change from here and see if the issue resolved or not. The second thing you can do is simply you can download a reliable VPN application from the Play Store. You can connect to a server in a country where the app is available. Simply open Play Store and search for application. And after that, you can easily download it and use a VPN to fix this app is not available in your country problem. The other thing is simply you need to have patience and wait until that applications is available on your region. So this is only the way to fix this application is not available in your country in Google Play Store currently. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.